In this video, I'll guide you through how to log into a Telegram account without a mobile phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, download Telegram web on your desktop and click on Start Messaging. Now click on Login using your mobile number. Now type a mobile number and click on Next button. Then Telegram will send a verification code via Telegram. But the question can be appear on your mind, how we can get the code. To get the verification code, first download the emulator called BootStack. After open the emulator, then click on Play Store and search for Telegram. Once you find it, then install it on your computer. Once the installation process is complete, then open the Telegram app. Now click on Start Messaging and choose your country and type your phone number. Now type your password. Then you log into Telegram account. Now you need to open Telegram chat and copy the verification code. And type your password again. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily log into Telegram account without a mobile phone.